Jared with Stryker Boats. We're out here on Cultus Lake doing a test with our new Stryker RIB 360 LX, and this is just an incredible little package. So having this rigid hull and this new white color is really appealing to many different users. So not just our traditional more fishing platform, but having the all white with the gray. It's incredibly sharp, very user friendly. Now this new EVA foam that we've added on here is really special. It's very easy to keep clean. It doesn't hold any water. It's very comfortable to sit on, and it's very nice for your shoes. Like typically on the aluminum, you might skid a little bit. Even with the anti-skid still allows for a little bit of slip. So this here, you feel like you're very locked into the boat when you're operating it. So it's really nice to run. Inside here, we have 2 oars on either side, so we kind of tuck them off from the traditional exterior where we would normally put them. In this boat today, we have a battery in the back running our Mercury. Now this is a gas motor, but the battery allows you to start it, so it's an electric start. This is the Merc 20 EH, so that's a 15-inch transom with a 15-inch shaft. And now this boat, of course, has lots of options for lifting, and Triton logo is embossed in all our new EVA in the bow. And of course, we got a nice big bow locker. We keep the fuel tank in there. We got the pump, we got a repair kit. So, you know, some really nice storage. Overall, we're very impressed. We're gonna run out and we're gonna do a little bit of a speed test here. We're gonna put 3 people in the boat as well. Very stable boat, very nice braking through those waves aggressively. So overall, we're really happy with it. Let's go for a run. People on board, wide open speed test, did a good job here. We got 36.5 kilometers an hour. So yeah, it feels good, feels quick, stable.